you know, we were a little countercultural compared to most of the Jews. And, you know, after all, I had been a feminist in Boston, part of the whole Boston Women's Health book group, even though I wasn't an original member. And I was slowly becoming more and more of a feminist. And so she was raised differently than most of the other Jewish kids that were at that temple. But there was a wonderful organization that had been formed by a woman who had been brought up in New York in the Ethical Society, the Jewish, well, I've forgotten the real word for that, but be that as it may. She had started something called the Friday School. It was mostly all academics from Brown, and we met at Hillel. And I found my home there. And that really is, to this day, one of the best experiences I have had as a Jew. My husband was involved. My children, of course, were both schooled there. And we did not have services. We met on Friday afternoons. At 3:30, the children would study Hebrew. At 4:30, they would study history. And we would all come together. Families would be expected to be there at 5:30. So from 5:30 to 6, we lit a candle, we shared challah, we danced Israeli dances, sang songs. The kids from Brown taught the children. And we celebrated every holiday together. And it was just idyllic, truly. And, you know, I would have responsibility for certain holidays. We actually had sukkahs in a place where we all went overnight in Voluntown, Connecticut, some sort of peace camp there that had overnight. It was very primitive, but we built a sukkah and we made food together, and it was really sort of like being on a kibbutz. And the children really bonded, and we all bonded as family. And I was able to bas mitzvah my daughter with 3 other people. We did a group bas mitzvah. We did not have a rabbi. We had somebody who was a wonderful teacher. And we had it was just memorable.